In this video, I will show you how to simply turn on admin approval for every new member or anyone that have group link on your WhatsApp group. Let me show you how. Open up your WhatsApp app. Either click on groups. The next thing you want to do is to select a particular group you want to use as an example. So I'm going to click on this group right here. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on the group name from the top. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. And then all you have to do is to make sure you look for group permissions. The next thing you want to do right here is to simply come down below right here. Go ahead and turn on this button right here. Once you enable this button, every new member that wants to join the group needs to get your approval before they can be granted access to the group. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.